Perfect. Welcome to this new video. In this one I will show you an interesting technique from our malware technique database where we are just enumerating the processes that are in the whitelist from the antivirus or EDR. Okay, basically the EDRs and the antivirus, they have some trusted processes that are allowed to do whatever they want without being monitored by the defenses. Okay, so basically if you can just enumerate which processes they are, and you inject your malicious code inside these trusted processes, you will evade the antivirus or EDR. Okay, so basically in this case we are just playing with the Bitdefender. Okay, what's happening here? Basically the Bitdefender uses one of these four DLLs. Maybe in some versions can have a different name, but in our case they are working perfectly. They are injecting one of these, or maybe more of one of these DLLs inside the processes that they want to monitor. Okay, so basically what we are doing here in our code, we are listing all the DLLs loaded into all the processes and searching which ones are they doesn't have any of these four DLLs injected inside it. Okay, so basically with this simple check, this is so simple to do because they are just four C++ functions that you can find whatever you want in internet. Okay, there are just one function to get the process ID by the process name, to get the process name by the process ID, a function to list the modules, to list the DLLs by process, and then one function that returns all this information connected. Okay, so basically we just call this function the get whitelisted processes, and this function starts just create a snapshot of all the processes running in the system. When this is done, we just start iterating through all the processes of this, all the processes running in our machine in that moment, in the moment of the snapshot, and then for each process we try to open the process, and then we list the modules by process. Then we check all the modules if any of these modules are one of the indicated ones, one of these ones of here. Okay, this Bitdefender here you can create for mere antivirus. Okay, this will be so useful. So basically this will allow our code to check which processes have not loaded the DLL that it's basically monitoring all what you are doing in your system. Okay, so basically let's jump to the virtual machine and let's try to execute it. Okay, perfect. So here we have the compiled code in a virtual machine, a Windows 11 virtual machine with the Bitdefender installed in it. Okay, so basically let's try to execute it. My bad. Perfect. Let's execute, and basically you're seeing the processes that are not monitored by the by the Bitdefender antivirus. Okay, basically these are the list of processes that doesn't have the DLL from the Bitdefender injected into it. Okay, the DLL of the antivirus, it's not loaded into these processes. Okay, so basically that doesn't automatically mean that you can do whatever you want in all these processes. Okay, sometimes they have another type of detection or monitoring that are not just DLLs to hook your userland calls from NT.dll and all of this. Okay, but basically this will help you to understand which are the best processes to try to attack when you are entering inside a system. Okay, so that's it. That's the technique. Okay, we are just enumerating all the processes to evade in the Windows in the Bitdefender or any other antivirus. You just need to change or add here your other products and the DLLs of each antivirus. Okay, and basically it's this. Remember, this is from the malware technique database. That it's a database where we have a lot of malware development techniques, and the first 3 are for free. You can read with no problem. And then we have these lifetimes or subscription plans. Okay. Basically, remember, each week we release a new technique in this database. So basically, it's a ever rolling technique database. Perfect. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next Monday. Okay. At this point, each new Monday, I will release a YouTube video for free to all the viewers. Okay. So let's see you later.